Hi, and welcome to Thryv's video learning series. Today, we will be discussing competitor tracking in your Thryv Marketing Center. To get started, on the left-hand navigation, click Marketing. Then navigate to Marketing Center. From there, select Tools, and then select Competitor Tracking. You'll notice in this account, there's already a competitor listed. If you don't have any, you'll be prompted to add one by clicking Add New. Simply input your competitor's website. Then click Add Competitor. Once your competitor or competitors have been added, there are several bits of key information that you can get from this page. This column includes keywords your competitors are using in ads. The next column, Volume, includes the number of times that these keywords have been searched in the last 30 days. The next column is the cost per click for those ads. The next column is the total number of advertisers that have included this keyword in their Google Ads in the last 6 months. And finally, we have the percentage of people who searched for this keyword and then clicked on an ad. Beneath that, you have the same analytics for your own keywords. Additionally, the system can help you by identifying core keywords. These are keywords that all domains have purchased. Keywords that you don't have that your competitors have, those are missing keywords, as well as potential ad waste, keywords that you're just not getting any clicks on. You can use all of this information to make sure that you're getting the most out of your paid advertisements and SEO campaigns. If you have additional questions or would like more help, navigate to the Support Center in the bottom left. Here you will find walkthrough guides, video tutorials, and helpful articles in the Knowledge Center. You can also click on Contact Us. We are available 24/7 via live chat, or you can call the support number. You can also schedule an appointment with one of our service specialists.